All right, here's our lesson for chapter 11, lesson 1.4, not 5, excuse me. Our objective today is to be able to recognize $1, $5, $10, and $20 bills. We want to be able to show and count money using coins and bills to $20. And we want to be able to write money amounts using the dollar sign and the cent symbol. So let's practice counting one of the coins together. So first of all, if we have 20 here, we write 20. We count on and we say 30, because 20 plus 10 is 30, plus one more is going to be 31. So that gives us $31. Okay, we write our decimal in, and now we're ready to count our coins. So we know that these are dimes and they have 2 touch points. So 2 touch points, 2. It's important that on your work you draw your touch points. And then these are nickels, so they have 1. They're worth 5 cents, so they just get 1. And then pennies are a sweep across. They just count as 1 cent. So now we're ready to count. So we say 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 71. So we have 71 cents. So how many dollars is this? This is 31. Then they can write the word dollars. And notice when they write the word dollars, they don't use the dollar sign. And then when they write the word cent, they don't use the decimal. They just write 71 cents. $31.71. All right, let's try the next one. Let's get your whiteboards and we'll practice the next one together. All right, so here's your touch points to remind you. Go ahead and let's try to add up these. We'll pause the video and you can give it a shot. Remember that when you have 4 quarters like this, 25, 50, 75, $1, this is going to equal 100 cents or $1. So whenever you see 4 quarters, I want you to circle it and then label it as 1. Oh, that's not a very good dollar sign. $1. Because when you count your dollars, you're going to count this one right along with it. So go ahead and give that one a try. All right, so we're going to count these like this. This is $1. Add 1, $2. Add another dollar, $3. Add this, you're going to get $4. So now we put $4 in. Now we put a decimal point. Now we're ready to count the coins. So this is a dime, so it gets 2 touch points, 5, 10. This is a nickel, so it gets 1, 5. This is a nickel, so it gets 1 touch point, which is 5. And pennies are a slide across, only equaling 1. So now let's count. So we say 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23. So it equals 23 cents. So $4.23. And when we're writing it in the blank, we just put the 4 and the 23. Because we're writing the words and not the symbols. Okay. So let's look at our assignment for today. We're going to practice doing these. I'm going to give you some time to solve it, and then I want you to try to solve it on your own, and then you can check your answer to see if you did it right. So let's start off by using 23, or by doing 23. Start off with counting the bills, and then count the coins. All right, and pause the video. Okay, so now when you're counting it, you're saying, here's the $5 bill. So I start with 5, count on 1, 6, 7. So I've got $7. Okay, we notice that all of these say 7, right? So now we got to find out which one has the right coins. So these are dimes on the top. So put 2 touch points on your dimes. That kind of went on my quarter. So 2 touch points. These are quarters, so you're going to put 5 touch points on your quarters. You can put 3 across the middle, 1 on top and 1 at the bottom. And now you're going to skip count by 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. So you have 70 cents. Make sure you pick the one that equals $7.70. Notice how this one says 7 cents. You don't want that one. This one says $7. You don't want that one. So you want the one that says $7.70. All right, let's try another one. 24, one bill, one coin. And notice that this is a dime, so it's going to get 2 touch points. Go ahead and solve that one. Pause the video. Okay, if you said that this is $1 and this is 5 cents, then you should have the one that equals $1.10. This is $11. We don't want that one. This one is 11 cents. We don't want that one. We want the $1.10. All right, now let's try looking at number 25. Okay, go ahead, pause the video, try to give this one a try. Notice that this is a dime right here, so we're going to do 2 touch points. This was a nickel, so we're going to give 1 touch point. Go ahead and give that a try. All right, if you said these are both $20 bills, so 20 plus 20 is 40. So we say 20, 40. Now add 10. 40 plus 10 is 50. So you want one that equals $50 decimal. And now we're going to count the coins. 5, 10, 15. $50.15 with a dollar sign. Notice this one says 65 cents. That's not good. This one says $5.15. So it's missing the 0. So we're going to cross off that one. And this one says $50.15. So it is correct. So we're going to circle the top one. All right, let's try doing this next one. See what we're going to do here. They said that the answer was $6.10. So when they put it in the blanks in a sentence, they just write Henry has $6.10. They don't use the dollar symbol or the cent symbol for those. All right, try number 26, looking at these and making sure that you give 5 touch points to these quarters. 5 touch points to quarters. Go ahead and count these up. All right, if you said that this is a $20 bill, plus 10 equals 30, plus 5 equals 35, then you got $35 over here. So we put in the blank, we put $35. And then we count our cents. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. And some of you might said, well, I knew it was 50 because popcorn costs 50. And that's what I bring. It's 2 quarters. So $35.50. When we write it all together, it looks like this. $35 decimal 50 cents. Okay, let's try number 27. Notice that this is also a quarter, so it means it's 25 cents. It gets 5 touch points. Go ahead and pause the video and try to solve that one on your own. All right, so you see it's got 5 and 1. So 5 plus 1 is 6. So you have $6. All right, so now we're going to find out how many cents we have. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So you put 25 in this blank right before the word cents. Then down here you put $6 decimal 25. Okay, and that is our assignment for today, pages 29 and 30.